Hi guys, welcome back. I'm gonna use 2 cans of gungo peas, pigeon peas. It is gungo peas, but they call it pigeon peas. But we know it as gungo peas. Okay guys, so I'm gonna throw this in my pot. I already have, my pot is already seasoned with scallion and thyme and garlic. So I'm cooking dinner guys, cooking my Sunday dinner. Gungo rice and peas, chicken and fish head. And my fish head is still soaking. My chicken is still soaking. See guys? So guys, I'm gonna put my coconut milk in the pot. Coconut milk. And I'm gonna use 2 cans. Okay guys, so my coconut milk is in the pot and I have some oil in this pot. I'm gonna do my chicken. Okay guys, I'm gonna put in my chicken. See, I don't have no browning on it guys. Take off the seasoning. So guys, I'm gonna be turning my chicken. And I have pepper and garlic in there. This is the pepper and the garlic is in there. So I'm not using any browning on this stew chicken guys. Okay guys, so my chicken is ready to come out the pot. Okay guys, so I'm gonna add a couple grain of pimento seed in my rice pot, in my gungo rice and peas pot, and we don't count them, we just add couple of grain. So the garlic and the scallion and the thyme was already in there, and a pepper. So now guys, this is my chicken, the seasoning from my chicken. See the seasoning from my chicken guys. All of this seasoning was soaked on my chicken. So I'm letting them saute. Some people say saute. We said fry them up. So I'm frying them up. And this coming out of the heart of Smithville in Clarendon guys. Esther Peace. Big up to anybody and everybody who grew up with me in Esther Peace, Clarendon. That's our little town. Okay guys, so my seasoning was saute, or my seasoning was saute, and I call it fry up. You probably call it saute. My seasoning was fry up or saute. Now I'm gonna add my chicken. See guys, and I'm gonna add tomato. And now the water. This is my brown stew chicken coming out of Smithville in Esther Peace, Clarendon. Okay guys. Okay guys, so I'm gonna put the rice in the pot, and this is brown rice I'm using. And guys, when I'm cooking, it's either 1 pound of rice or 2 pound of rice or 3 pound of rice. Where I come from, out Upper Smithville, Esther Peace in Clarendon, they don't measure. It's either half pound, 1 pound, 2 pound or 3 pound or 4 pound. And guys, no matter how I try to cook little bit, I can't cook little bit. It always come out plenty. When you grow up where I grew up guys, in the hills, in the country, you can't cook little bit. No matter how much try, it still come out enough. Okay, this is a stew chicken, guys. See? This is my stew chicken. Guys, if you smell my kitchen right now, if you smell my kitchen, it smells awesome. See, guys? That's a stew chicken. Okay, guys, so I'm putting a little barbecue sauce in there. My stew chicken. And I'm putting some ketchup. See it, guys? So that's my stew chicken. Okay, guys. So we are checked on the stew chicken. See it, guys? Not only pretty, but it smells nice. Smell good. See it? Smell awesome. And in the meantime, guys, I'm preparing the good things them for going at the steamed fish head. Okay, guys, so the stew chicken is finished, and I'm gonna move this pot now to make room for the next pot, because it's gonna be a little bigger than this pot. So this is my stew chicken, guys. And guys, when you're cooking, you can put a little spin on it. You can add whatever you want to add. It's your food, you eating it. You can just put a little spin on it and add what you want to add in there and make it taste awesome. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna steam my fish now. So guys, remember I seasoned the fish and I put all the seasoning on it. So I take out the fish. I take the fish out, the fish head, and this is the seasoning. So I'm going to fry it up or saute it as you know it. So this is all the seasoning, guys. And I have some oil in the pot. So this is the seasoning. So I'm just frying it up, or cook it up, or saute it, whichever you know it as. Okay, and this is the fish head. I use 2 fish head. Okay, guys, so my seasoning was fried up, and now I'm gonna add my pumpkin. Remember, I'm doing steamed fish, guys. This pumpkin was cut off and was refrigerated.